Sons of Go Crypto Investing. This quick late night update here on the Bitcoin price. Fell asleep kind of early last night. You can see where we're looking at still. We had a nice, beautiful bounce off of that lower support last night, and we're still consolidating in the same range in Bitcoin. And we'll get more into this tomorrow. We'll get more into price targets on where you should be accumulating, how many XRP, how many Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and XLM you need to become very wealthy in the next bull market. But you can see in the current micro time frame, you're still got that lower support, that little uptrending line that we put on there and created. You got your major upper resistance and that bear flag, right, at 21,132 and rising. So it's actually higher today. If it hit it today, it's 22,614. That's your area that you need to get back above and hold to get bullish. If you get rejected by that, your initial underneath target is this old all-time high down here in red at about $19,915, and that's what we're looking at in the Bitcoin price. The XLM price, you can see we're in the similar consolidation. This is a breakdown target. If you break down out of this consolidation, down there at about 9, just under 10 cents, 9.6 cents, on any kind of a breakout to the upside, your major upper resistance in the XLM is your initial one is up here, but your major one is up here at 12 cents. You can see you got rejected right there, but then you got rejected by the 12-cent level here, just below it there. You held it on it right here. You can see that. You got rejected. Then you came up to your major upper resistance, got rejected. And then you were trying to hold support right after that for a few days, right along that 12.3 cents. So on any kind of pump, your first rejection point is right here, and that could force you back down. But if you can't get any buyers, you're likely to come down to this lower target here initially, right? So this this blue line is very, very, very important. So your upper resistance is between 12 and 13 cents, and your lower support is about 9 3/4 to 10 cents, right? And then if we look at the XRP price, you can see this had a nice little bounce, just like Bitcoin today, and we've been watching for this, and that your major upper resistance is horizontal and remains the same at 37 1/4 cents on a breakout to the upside, and you need to get above that area right here if you want to get bullish. You got to get on top of this and hold it, and then start to kick to the upside, and that's how you get bullish, to break above this area and to hold it. If you come up to it and tap it and start to trade down, that could be a confirmed breakdown, and then that could lead you to your lower targets, which is between 30 and 32.5 cents in this blue local regional supply zone. And that's what we're looking at in the XRP price in the micro time frame. If we take a look at the macro time frame, you can see we're extremely bearish, and we've been, besides little ups and downs, and that 37 cents remains your major resistance, and the 21 cents is your major lower support and actually an end of the year target that we have. But you still got that short-term local supply zone. That's why we're calling it local supply / support, because on the flash crash that started this whole catastrophic crypto emergency, this is the area where you got supported, and that's the area where you're going to continue to get short-term supported on any little rundown to try to get some buyers to come back in and to trade farther to the upside, right? So this is just looking at the Bitcoin and the crypto technical analysis aspect of the crypto industry. We'll get more into the crypto news a little bit later on today, but I just wanted to give you this little price update to take a look at what was going on here. If we look at the old Cardano, you can see we did come all the way back down to that 43 cents or lower support, and we're in this range in Cardano. And this is the macro time frame. You can see we've been in an extended consolidation to the downside, and you can see we've really been in this falling channel, right? I have some more right here, like that blue. We've really been in this falling channel ever since the second blow off top late last year, right up around here in mid to late September, early September, late August through September, and then we started to the downside, right? And that started the big bear market and Cardano from when we were at nearly, where did we get up to? $3.05. So this is a really, really big fall from $3.05 to 46 cents. And we'll watch for a pump at some point. But right now, we're sitting on back testing something we failed to do back here, right there, and then a really big one. Whoopsie daisies. A really big one right here. See that? A really big failure right there. And by failure, what I mean is you tried to break out, came back down, back tested this falling channel as support, couldn't hold it, had one final run up right here. See this? It had one final run up right there. Couldn't get over top of it, failed it, and look what happens when you fail it. You come straight back down again, all the way to lower support, and then that's where we started the sideways consolidation, right? And then now we're trying to do the exact same thing. We've dumped down to support, and if we can't hold support, you're likely to fall all the way down to the bottom of this falling channel, just like you did right there. You're likely to do the same thing right here, and that would bring you down towards this 26-cent horizontal major support and a descending falling channel, which sort of meet right in here. And that's what would happen if you can't kick to the upside and remain bullish. You come straight down into here, just like you did back there. Like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you want me to cover a certain coin or stock or commodity today, and we'll get into that, and we'll bring in some crypto news this afternoon as the day progresses and I get up to go to work. And then we'll bring in some relative coin news and some mass adoption in other coins, specifically XRP, and we'll get into a little bit of XLM adoption. Peace and love to my beautiful audience.